She's scared.
What are you doing?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Bro, I can't even work out in peace, bro. What are you doing?
Why'd you bring your kid to my bed?